Hello, my name is Namrata Pai. I'm the founder director of Magpie Speech Language Intervention Services located in JP Nagar 7th Phase, Bengaluru. For more information, you can look us up on magpieslp.com. Mealtime is a great place to start off with conversation or have communication with your child. If it's a toddler that you're looking at, then it starts with maybe making the place clutter-free and having a specific place where you can always sit with your child to have food, whether it's on the floor or whether it's on the table. You can start prepping up the child by maybe having a certain song or rhyme associated with the mealtime. You can use a lot of verbs while you are maybe cooking or serving the food by saying maybe pour, cut, clean, and things like that. You can involve the child by making him help you maybe arrange the plate on the table or maybe arranging the glass for you. While you're feeding the child, you can maybe name the food which is on the plate. You can talk about how it tastes or how it smells. You can also offer choices while you are feeding your child. When it comes to slightly older children, you can talk a lot about maybe what happened during the day, or maybe narrate a story or talk about a book which you recently read. You can also take a lot of input from your child. It's also a place where he can tell you about his feelings or about his likes, dislikes. And so mealtime is a great place to have conversation, provided you don't have a gadget around you.